Hello everybody. Welcome to the video tutorial about how to import data in Water Hydraulics Design Interface. In the previous help topic, we have learned how to create a new file and do the initial project setting. In this help topic, you will learn importing network data and surface in Water Hydraulics Interface. Once project settings are done, click on Import button to import the network data from CAD File. In the window that opens, there are two tabs. 1. Importing a new network data. 2. Importing an existing network data. Importing a new network data. Select the drawing file by clicking on the triple dotted button next to Select Drawing text box. Select New Network tab. Specify the layer name in which pipe data is available. Assign Over or Undershoot Distance and Over or Undershoot Limit. Then click on Verify button. This button is to verify whether any polyline in the network has overshoot and undershoot at node or junctions. If the polylines are not connected to nodes, then based on over or undershoot distance, it will find the issue and join the polylines. If not, then such polylines' endpoint coordinates will be displayed in the below box. Now, click on Import button to import network lines. After importing network lines, now click on Elevation Layer drop-down list and select corresponding elevation layer name from list which is defined in the drawing. Click on Import button to import the elevations and click on Update button to update the elevations in the CAD window of the interface. Importing an existing network data. If you want to import an existing drawing network, then select Existing Network tab. Select the drawing file from your system by clicking on triple dotted button. After selecting the drawing file, now select the corresponding node and pipe layer name to be imported from the drop-down list of layers option. Click on Import button to import network lines. Similarly, select Elevation layer name from drop-down and import elevations by selecting on the Import button and then click on the Update button to update the drawing. Note: existing network import is suitable for importing only the network created in eSurvey Water. Importing an INP file into interface. After creating a new file, now the user can directly import an INP file of other hydraulics modeling softwares into the interface by clicking on the button of Import INP file. After clicking on Import INP file, now the user has to select the INP file from their desktop location and click on Open button. The network will be created in eSurvey Hydraulics interface with all properties of hydraulics entity from INP file. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to work with hydraulics entities. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +91 94495 99709 or book an online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.